Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the iPhone to your PC with a reliable cable and then unlock the device. When the Trust This Computer prompt appears, tap Trust so the PC can access photos. This is required. On Windows, open File Explorer and locate your iPhone under this PC. On a Mac, open Photos or Image Capture. Once done, minimize distractions and have a target folder ready on the PC to receive the import. Now you import. On Windows, click Import from a connected device and follow prompts to pick dates or albums, or browse internal storage /DSIM and copy files manually. On Mac, open Photos or Image Capture, select the images you want, then click Import or drag them to a Finder folder. You choose Manual Copy for control or the Import tool for automatic organization. Make sure to monitor progress and avoid unplugging. Finish by verifying the imported photos open correctly on your PC, and that counts match expectations. Check folder sizes and sample a few images. If items are missing, make sure iCloud Photos isn't hiding originals. Toggle Settings Photos or sign into iCloud on the PC and re-download, then rerun the import. If transfers fail, retry with a different cable or USB port. Make sure you trusted the computer. Finally, copy the folder to an external drive or cloud for redundancy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.